Welcome back to the Benchmark Bench. My name is Wayne Augustine. Today we're going to do some instruction on how to best do solid surface TRUFIG installation. And by solid surface, I mean wood or stone. This could be tile, anything that's large format. The way this is done is a single box like this is what you start out with. It comes in this container. It'll be marked 502 box. And it comes like this with this white collar on it. In order to do an installation like this, you'll have this box tacked to whatever wall you're using, maybe the backsplash of a kitchen, and you may or may not have run your wire to the box. But you're going to remove the box from the material. This is key. If you leave it there, you're going to have an installation that we can't fix. So once the material arrives, we'll say it's this material here, you need to give yourself enough of a whip so that you can bring the box onto the back of the material. So the box is always affixed to the back of the material. I'm going to use the wood version right now because it's a little easier to get the box in and out of it for some reason. So these are all preset with a 3/4 inch depth. So if your material is 19 or 20 millimeters or 3/4, you don't have to do anything. If it's anywhere between 1/4 and 1 1/4, you'll need to adjust it using these screws you see here on the sides. Undo those screws and move this flange in and out to adjust your depth. These materials are both 3/4. So in wood, you would push the box through, verify that this white collar is flush with the finished material, and then screw it to the back to the material itself. If it was going in a baseboard, then you would put it up like that. For stone, it's the same thing. However, the water jet opening is slightly smaller, by a 1/2 millimeter or so, and so it's a little tougher getting it in the hole. I use a rubber mallet and just tap it in there. Again, verify that you're flush, and then you're going to epoxy this. Most stone fabricators that you'll be working with have Kimi on their truck, which is a very fast drying epoxy, and you can do that. It will look like this. This is a hand sample I'm making for another project. So that's how it will finish out. So once you've epoxied the unit here, you're going to put your trim piece in with your device. And the trim piece looks like this by itself. It has 4 adjustment screws for depth, and it's 2 pieces. Note the inside collar. So you need both of those pieces to make it fit right. That then goes in here like this, and you adjust the depth. The depth can be adjusted using a tool that I provide that is a fascia without the hole, with the holes cut in, and you screw this down until it's flush, and then you can put your magnetic fascia on and it will fit perfectly. And that's the short of it. Thanks for listening.